The next message is about familiarizing kids with the ingredients and not just the cooking process. And that's something that's really important because this helps kids recognize that the actual food that makes a healthy meal instead of just the meal itself that is healthy. And so, for example, this would also help children if they go grocery shopping with their parents or a grown-up. They will be able to recognize these foods in the grocery store and even help participate in the shopping. This also helps being part of the food literacy piece, where as they grow up, they'll recognize these produce in the grocery store and be able to know what to purchase and what certain foods look like. And the key part in familiarizing kids with the ingredients is to go through them one by one. And this is one of the things that I reiterate in the lesson plans, is being able to have kids keeping the ingredients with you and divvying it up by tables so that kids will pay attention. Otherwise, I found that if we have all the ingredients right on the table where the kids are, the kids get so distracted and they just want to touch everything and they want to look at it. And whereas it would be more of a calming presence if we had everything up here so that you can demo everything and it's like a whole class participation. So for example, I would take this vegetable and be like, what does anybody know what this is? And maybe one child says tomato, or one child says potato, and then we'll say, oh, it's a tomato, and then explore what this actual food looks like. So what color is it? Oh, it's red. Maybe what shape is it? Oh, it's round, sort of oval. This just helps with the visual exploration of the food itself. And then the next thing we do, which really gets kids paying attention after, is to be able to have a child from the table come up and grab the ingredient and bring it back to the table. And then you can just take turns with each child at the table, and I find this keeps them engaged. The next one would be like, okay, next, what vegetable is this? Does anyone recognize this? And then it's a bell pepper. Has anyone tasted it? What does it taste like? And maybe some people will say it's sweet, it's juicy, it's crunchy, and then we'll say, what color is it? It's red with a green stem. These things, again, with the visual exploration and maybe kids speaking from experience, and that also helps keep other kids who haven't tried it before, maybe just planting the seed of, oh, that's what this child said, maybe I want to try it myself. And then again, you'll have another child, different child, come up from that table and take it back to their group.